We've been working closely with Gripple over the last couple years on several projects. This one we've gotten into Gripple more and more with not only the lighting installation that we've normally done, but also with the transformer installations, and moving forward we're going to be using their fast Trak system in our installations for distribution. I'm very excited about the fast Trak system. I've gone over it extensively with Gripple. I've told them what I want for length, I've told them what I want for width. They're pre-designing everything. That means I don't have to cut anything. It literally comes to site. I literally put 2 screws in the underside of a decking and I install it. I can adjust it, I can snap it off. I don't need to worry about having any kind of a bandsaw, anything like that that could hurt my workers. Because at that point, it's about safety. If they can carry less, they can produce more.
The products that have been installed here are the XP1 for the lighting. They've used the Unigrip number 4 for the transformers, and now they're going to use the fast Trak when they start installing their trapezes. The relationship with Arthur Electric is absolutely fantastic. From top to bottom, everybody's extremely welcoming, everybody's extremely grateful and happy to work with us, as we are happy to work with them too.
I've been in the trade almost 30 years now, and I can tell you right now, this is the easiest style I have ever come across. You walk along, you drill the hole, you've got the end of the cable, feed it through, drop it, it supports itself. With this style of installation, you can have 1 or 2 guys up on your rooftop doing a section 400 feet by 400 feet in less than a day. You could do a warehouse the size of this one, around 1.3 million square feet, in multiple weeks versus multiple months. And all you have to do later on is come up there with a lift, some lights, put it on. It's a quick pull. That's the only material you need. You can set your lights with no material other than hand tools, a set of gloves, and as long as you can use a level, you're done.
Going forward, the future for Arthur Electric and Gripple is looking really good. Very excited about installing the fast Trak in this location. We already have one more project north of Toronto where the products have already been ordered and they're going to be installed very soon. And I've heard that there's a few more projects coming up, and Gripple will be the solution on those sites also.